what's up YouTube? It's Jess and I'm gonna be doing a little haul for you guys today. I know that Christmas was a little while ago, but I didn't really get to show anybody my gifts and what I got for Christmas. I got some really awesome modeling stuff. Starting out, I have been wanting a new cutting mat for the longest time. So I have here my very own cutting mat in mint condition. Who doesn't love looking at a fresh cutting mat? And of course it's purple because I love purple. But if you check it out, it's reversible. On this side, I have blue. It's like a blue-gray. But yeah, once this side gets all ugly, I'll go ahead and flip it over and use the other side. So that is the first awesome modeling Christmas gift I got. Then I wanted to show these awesome sprue cutters that I got. I don't know what company they're from. It says Radial Tunnel, I believe. But they're really nice because they are very, so these are them first. Do like a little, kind of how they do in the makeup tutorial videos. So you can check that out right there. I'll go ahead and open them. But these are really nice and they're really thin so they can get in between those small spaces and get a really close cut. I love these. I was using these ones over here, which are a little larger, bulkier, thicker. But I'm moving up, guys. Got me some nice thin sprue cutters, also in purple. Very cool. Then let's get into the real goodies. All right. So I got my Amazon Santa sack here. Okay. So, more pink gloves. Always using gloves when I'm painting, especially when I'm airbrushing. And I got myself, well, I didn't get this for myself, but my mother-in-law bought me an actual painting mask, a respirator. So we'll try this on. There we go. There's like these little straps here. Oh. Even if I know how to put this on. Wait. I swear I'm going to do it for you guys. Alright. Here we go. There we go. I was born in the darkness, molded by it. So, there you go. Keeping my my lungs nice and healthy there while I'm working with some very unstable chemicals. So nice little paint mask I got there. Been wanting one that actually fits my tiny head for a very long time. And then, what else do we got here? Ooh, yes. So this is a little handheld polisher. I saw Kenny from HobbyLink International using this in one of his videos, and I was like, I have to have one of these. So I told my dad about it, and it's for hand polishing to get in between the like really tiny spots for fine polishing. So this is really nice, and I can't wait to use this. This will be cool. So I got that. It's a Mr. Hobby or Mr. Polisher Pro. So that's the one that I got. Exciting! All right. And what's next? Ah, yes. I got these little alligator clamps with one of these stands. I'll probably use like a block of wood or something else like with some holes drilled in it for a stand, just because this is kind of like a thin stand and I like my stands to be a little taller. So, but I got these with the alligator clips so I can put my parts that are drying on these. I can never get enough of these. I'm always running out or breaking them, so much needed. Super happy for this model painting clip kit by Eve Model. All right, very cool. What else? Yes, micro applicators. I go through these things like toilet paper. They're also purple, which is really cool. I think that my sister-in-law got me these But a ton of these. I use these for little tiny like dabs on small parts and stuff that I need to glue together. And I'm always going through these like crazy. So can never get enough of these micro applicators. Very awesome gift as well. And last but definitely not least is this I've been wanting for quite some time. Let me move some stuff out of the way. Getting a little clustered. This I've been wanting for quite some time. This is a Display like hand sander. It's like a little tiny Dremel. I want to open this up and show you guys what it looks like inside, because I'm excited to see what it is too. All right. I don't know if I'm saying that right. It's spelled D-S-P-I-A-E. Display. Okay. So we got some little sandpapers. Let's go ahead and open these up. Okay, yeah, so these are different size sandpapers. They're also perforated, so they'll be easy to take apart and apply. And then this is it, guys. This is the tool. So let's see if I can get this. Oh my God, I don't want to break it. I just bought it. Okay, so this is what it looks like right here. And then looks like it takes a C charger to charge, which is awesome. I don't know if it's charged right now. It is. Okay. All right. So how this works is there's these different shaped heads that you go ahead and put on the tip of this. See if I can fit it correctly. I don't know if I'm doing this right. I totally know what I'm doing. Stand by.
2 hours later.
Okay, I got it all solved. So this just goes on the top like that, and then you'll place one of these fitted pieces of sandpaper to whatever head of you choose for sanding. And then it'll just sand in between little tiny parts and crevices that you cannot reach. Another reason that I was really excited to get this is because I experienced something called Radial Tunnel. It's kind of like carpal tunnel, I guess, is the way that the doctor described it to me. Whereas carpal tunnel goes through the nerve that goes through the bottom of your hand, which is like what most people experience. Radial tunnel is the nerve that's going through the top of your hand. So I experienced like a lot of tightness in my arm up here, and then like pain in the top of my hand. And doing things like sanding or crocheting, which I also like to do, a lot of things with repetitive motion really start to make it act up a lot. And it hurts. It doesn't feel great. So I was so excited to get this tool to just make the tedious sanding a lot easier and a lot more painless. So yeah, this is a great gift. My dad got this for me. I'm so excited about using this. But yeah, that is pretty much it in the way of the tools and supplies that I got this Christmas for doing models. And I almost forgot, but these are some of the coolest gifts. My little brother got me these for Christmas. I've been talking about doing one of these for quite some time, so I'm really excited to try these out. But they are Booknooks. It's very cool. This one is like a little detective agency one. Has all these really cool things inside there. I'm really excited to put this one together. And then he got me this one, which you can't really see the design, but I'll try and turn it over for you guys. It's like the inside, there's like a car in there, and like it's like a garage with some lifts and some cool stuff, some parts on the wall. So these are going to be 2 really fun Booknook kits. I believe both of them are wooden, so that is going to be something to look forward to. I was telling him how I wanted to do something, because sometimes building the plastic models takes me a little bit longer, especially for kind of the ideas I have and sometimes being a bit eccentric with my builds. I wanted to do something that was a little more put together and just step by step, like a Booknook. So I might be starting on one of these soon as well. And yeah, so those are my gifts that I got for Christmas, and I just wanted to go ahead and share with all of you. I hope that you guys got some awesome modeling goodies for Christmas as well. And I wanted to wish everybody a very happy new year. And thank you for watching. Happy building. Bye.